Here I've got KENXINDA V6 and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first let's find and open Play Store. Here it is. And then click on More icon, select My Apps and Games. Obviously you have to be logged in with your Google account and also connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to update applications. As you can see, we do not have any updates right now to Paint. However, if you will find something, it will be here under Updates, and all you have to do is to click on Update icon and it will be done automatically. So that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily update applications on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.